What's up, everybody? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to tell you what I think is the easiest way for you to become a millionaire in 2023. Now, keep in mind, making money, let alone $1 million, is never trivial. It's never super easy. This is merely the easiest way for you to become a millionaire. The way that has the highest probability of making you a millionaire. And it involves entrepreneurship. I'm not going to ask you to invest in anything. No, this is good old entrepreneurship. Now, what does entrepreneurship usually involve? What are the keys to success in entrepreneurship? Well, I think there are three main keys. The first one is finding product market fit. Product market fit is when you have a product or service that has a clear fit in the market, meaning customers really want it, they want to pay you for that product or service, your business model is sound such that you actually make money, it is sustainable. That's product market fit. It's pretty difficult to find. It's highly coveted in Silicon Valley, for example, because once you find product market fit, you are off to the races. The sky is the limit. And so I'm going to tell you how to easily find product market fit in 2023. The second component of entrepreneurship that's difficult is marketing. You've likely heard the saying that a bad product with great marketing will always beat a great product with bad marketing. So we're going to talk about marketing. I'm going to give you the best marketing strategy that is very easy to do in 2023. And finally, the third part, here I'm going to cheat a little bit. It's the execution part, the building part, where you actually have to build your product and execute on your marketing strategy. And that I will leave as an exercise to the viewer to actually do, because it's really about doing, not necessarily saying anything. But okay, let's go back to product market fit. What is all the hype right now at the end of 2022? I'll wait. Hint, 2 letters, AI. We've seen so many different AI tools come out recently. ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, all these AI tools that have different applications, or rather that have different ways of being used. You know, some of them are image generation tools, some of them are chatbot tools, some of them are text to language tools, like translation tools. And these AI tools are super hyped right now, but I don't think that they're overhyped because they are genuinely incredible. They are genuinely magical. If you don't believe me, go check out one of my recent videos where I showed 10 different applications of ChatGPT. The sky is the limit as far as applications of these tools. It's like these tools basically already have product market fit because you can apply them to literally anything. Like any existing product or service, you can apply these tools to either make them better or to replace them. And so what I'm telling you here is that in 2023, the people who will be the first people to take these AI tools, to productionize them into actual paid products will be the winners and will have a very easy time winning. Case in point, there's an app that many of you have probably heard of by now, Lensa AI, on the App Store that's been making $1 million a day or more in revenue in December. And it's an art generation tool where you take a selfie and it creates 20 different selfies of you by the AI in different settings, different styles and all that. The point is, if I were you, I would spend some time thinking about applications of ChatGPT and these other AI tools. Where can you make the most useful result? What audience can benefit from a productionized version of these AI tools the most? Probably people who are non-technical. And to be honest, the more niche you go, in my opinion, the greater your chances of succeeding will be, because you will have fewer other people thinking about the same thing, competing for the same area. And I think you have an extremely high chance of finding extreme product market fit. And by the way, just to be clear, this doesn't even have to be a pure product. Like I said before, this could be a service, product or service, where you just use ChatGPT, you leverage these AI tools as part of the service that you're creating. Maybe you have some sort of agency, but ChatGPT makes you 10 times more performant or 10 times more able to scale your agency. Again, the sky is the limit, but I'm telling you, whoever hones in on these tools in 2023 will make a lot of money. Okay, so that's the product market fit part. Now let's talk about the marketing. For the marketing, I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy that I have aptly named the Clement Mihailescu Algo Expert strategy. That's right, Algo Expert is my own company, and I've used this strategy to market Algo Expert. By the way, if you're a software engineer preparing for your technical interviews, do check out my company, Algo Expert. Go to algoexpert.io and use the promo code CLEM, CLEM, for a discount on the platform. Or if you want to learn about blockchain development, we also have a product for that on Algo Expert. Check out Blockchain Expert. So the strategy is simple. Social media, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, all the social media platforms are freely available, accessible to anybody. And everybody in this day and age has the ability to create a video or to create a piece of written content, to share it on one of these social media platforms, and to reach thousands, if not millions, of people. Put some time into creating some quality content online, into creating your own personal brand, and market your product everywhere in all the pieces of content that you create. Do not miss out on any opportunity to market your product. Become your own sponsor effectively. Do what I've done with Algo Expert. Over the last few years, I have used my YouTube platform and my LinkedIn platform to market my company, Algo Expert, in every single video, in every single post, and it's not that intrusive. It's not that big a deal to market your product if you're doing so in a sort of fun way and in a genuine way, in an authentic way. And you also create high quality content that people want to watch regardless. And trust me, it is an amazing way to reach a huge audience in an organic way, meaning unpaid marketing, right? You don't need to pay for this. You don't need to put in a ton of capital. You just need to put in time and effort. Anybody can do it. You can even use tools like ChatGPT to help you do it better by having ChatGPT create scripts for you or, outlines for you or come up with ideas for content for you, and just use that to create your own brand and to market your product. Anybody who does these two things that I told you about in this video in 2023 will have a very high chance of being a millionaire by the end of that year, or at least in 2024. Now, I know it's not that easy, but some of you, I'm sure, will get motivated by this. Some of you will go after it, and we'll see who the winners are in a year. With that, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter if you enjoy short-form written content, Instagram if you like pictures, and I will see you in the next video.